Another fine vehicle offered by W.I. Simonson.
This is a 2008 Mercedes-Benz E350, a drive and shape that provides endless luxury. This Mercedes-Benz has a long list of incredible features including heated front seats, heated washer fluid, a 13-speaker audio system, satellite radio, a driver front airbag with multi-stage deployment, a brake assist system, and this vehicle has just over 46,000 miles. It features a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and a 7-speed automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
W.I. Simonson is located at 1626 Wilshire Boulevard in Santa Monica. Our main objective is to make your experience at our dealership a satisfying one, whether it's for sales, service, or parts.